Recording in progress.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Maths Made Easy with Terry in 10 minutes. So we're going to talk about the fourth rule now, which is the reciprocal rule, okay? So please, before I proceed, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you've not clicked the notification bell, I don't know what you're waiting for, please do so. So we're going to go straight into it. So for instance, reciprocal is talking about like things like 1 over x, 1 over y. So that means, for instance, 1 over x is a reciprocal function of x. Is that making sense? So how do you integrate it? Okay. So quickly, so if we can say if 1 over x is a reciprocal function, so it's a reciprocal function of x, okay, then the integration of this function, so when you integrate this function, is going to be the absolute mean value of x. So basically, when you integrate 1 over x in respect to x, okay, when you integrate this, it's going to give you the ln of the absolute value of x plus c, okay? And this is what we call the natural log of x, okay? Natural log of x. So basically, I can now summarize this as rule 4, okay, which is the reciprocal rule. Okay, so we can summarize this as rule 4, which is the reciprocal rule. So it says that when you integrate the reciprocal function, the result will be the absolute value of the natural log. Okay, basically what we just say here of the function plus c. So plus the constant term. So basically what I just said, when you integrate 1 over x in respect to dx, is going to give you the ln of the absolute value of x plus c. And also, similarly to the constant rule, you always, okay, if there is a constant with reciprocal function, you always bring out, okay, you always bring out the constant term. So you always bring out a constant term. So let's pick an example, for instance. So let's say we have this, for example. Number 1, let's assume we're integrating 1 over x in respect to dx. This is going to give us ln, the absolute value of x, plus what? C. Now, let's make it a little bit interesting now. Let's assume we're integrating 5 over x dx. So remember I said that when you're doing this, you always have to bring out a constant term. Now, we can say this is the same thing as say integrating 5 times 1 over x. Are you seeing it? So bring out a constant term. That's going to give us 5 integrating 1 over x. Now, this can be broken down now to give you equal to 5 ln x plus what? C. Now, let's make it a little bit more interesting. Let's assume we are integrating 2 over 3x dx. So It's the same thing as saying we're integrating 2 over 3 multiplied by 1 over x. Are you seeing it? Then we bring the 2 over 3 out. You always bring out the constant term with 2 over 3, 1 over x. And that will give us 2 over 3 ln x plus c. Okay? Number 4, we're integrating 8 over 5x dx, which is going to be, you integrate, same thing as breaking it down. You bring out the constant. It will be 8 over 5 multiplied by 1 over x. You bring out the 8 over 5. So it's going to give us 8 over 5 integral of 1 over x. And that will give us 8 over 5 ln what? X plus c. So let's pick the last one. Let's assume we're integrating 6x minus 1 dx. This is the same thing as saying we're integrating 6 multiplied by 1 over x. So this is the same thing as we're integrating 6 into bracket 1 over x, which is going to give us 6 ln x plus c. Very easy. So basically, when you're integrating a reciprocal function, so like 1 over x or 1 over y, it doesn't matter, it's going to give you the ln of the absolute value of what? X. So I'm going to give you an exercise to try, and you can try with your friends, or you can put it in the comment section and see if you get the same thing. So let's assume you're integrating 2 over x in respect to dx. Number 2, we're integrating 7 over x in respect to dx. Okay, number 3, let's assume we're integrating 8 over 3x in respect to dx. Number 4, we're integrating 10 over 7x in respect to dx. Number 5, let's say we're integrating 2 over 5x in respect to dx, okay? And number 6, we're integrating 8 over x in respect to dx, okay? So let us try this and see what you get. So that will bring us to the end of the reciprocal function. So basically what it's saying is that when you have 1 over x, when you integrate that, it should give you the ln of x plus c. Basically, that is that. And when you're integrating and there is a constant in addition to the 1 over x, you bring the constant out and you just integrate the 1 over x at ln x plus c. All right, that is that for that. So the next video, we're going to talk about the exponential rule. We're going to talk about how to integrate exponential functions. And I'm going to talk about that in the next video. So please don't forget to subscribe so that when I post new videos, you'll be the first person to know. All right, and click the notification bell so you get a notification when a new video is up. All right, so I'll see you soon, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, I'll see you soon.